Okay, Hurricane Lane update. It's raining, but it's a rainforest, so we're used to that. But even for a rainforest, it's pretty heavy rain. So, there's Peter. Hi, Peter. Say hi, Peter. So, Mom wants an update on what's going on with the hurricane. So, let's take a little look-see around. This is the new edition that Peter... New edition, isn't that a band?
It used to be.
Yeah, okay. So this is the new edition that Peter is building. And yeah, it's pretty wet out here. We have all kinds of contraptions going to try to mitigate the water. Okay, so yeah, we got like some foam up here to direct the water down into these bins to catch it. And look at this. Look how deep this is. That's from today. And it's only like, I don't know, 2 or 3 o'clock. And this was to go for a while. And then look how deep this one is. Yeah. Rainforest rain in a hurricane. Real. So Peter rigged up like tarps and stuff as a makeshift roof because the roof isn't on yet. So here's the water flowing from the makeshift roof. Okay, let's take a little look over here. You can see let's see. Oh yeah. Some new lakes and such forming back there. Yeah, that's good. Oh, it's quieting down a little bit. We might have a little break. I'll take you out front. We'll see what's going on out front. Oh, look at the water drip off our little foamy thing. Yeah, okay. Let's go see the waterfall out front. I bet that's flowing good. Okay, I gotta step over this. Watch this. Watch me work. Oh, okay, here we go. And there we go. All right. Now we go out front. Okay. Raining hard, so put the hood up. And I got an umbrella out here. Oh yeah, it's a break in the rain. It's not too bad. Just a little bit of rain. Got my little reversible umbrella here. How this works. Check me. If I can get it to stay up. Oh yeah, I'm pushing the button. That's the problem. Okay, so now we'll go for a walk out front, see what's going on. Oh, there's the ducks. Ducks are chilling. This is their kind of weather. They like a rain party. Oh, there's one back there, way back in the back. She's bathing herself in a mud puddle. Yeah, way back in the back. Great. Right there. There, see it? That water's not clean. You silly duck. Okay, anyway, while we got a break in the rain, we'll go take a little spin around. Yeah, it's not too bad. Got a nice little waterfall going here down my driveway. That's fun. Actually, the drainage is pretty good, though. The drainage is pretty good, though. It just, it drifts down. Got some little white waters, and then it just, like, dissipates itself in the gravel. Ooh, yeah, it's flowing pretty good out front. Can you see it? Can you see it from there? We'll go see. It's not nearly as bad as it was in wintertime around Christmas when it was rainy season. That was some bananas water. Bonkers. Okay. This is a nice mud puddle. Yeah. Okay. My street. Yeah. Step over that. Over there across the street, that like waterfall, that's not normally there. Here it is, coming from up the street, and here it is, flowing down. Oh, well, I'm trying to show you stuff anyway. Okay, now I'm going to show you me trying to get across this. Let's see how this works out. Okay, let's see. Nice little deep little step-a-roo. There we go. And another little steppy-doo. Okay, and I think one more, and we got it. Okay. All right. Yeah, so this is the rain so far. Actually, this isn't really that unusual. This is just, like, this is what happens every time we get, just a good rain. This isn't even anything, this isn't unusual, really. Yeah, I should have put my, rain boots on. Because, well, this is like, I don't know, maybe 6 inches deep. Oh well, I'm going across. Whatever. Oh, my pants are wet. Oh, what are you going to do? Walk around with wet pants. Okay. Oh, you can hear it. It's pretty deep. Yeah, going down into my my drainage puka. My drainage waterfall. Yeah. So this water here is probably, trying to feel around with my foot. Over there where it's flowing in, that's probably maybe, I don't know, 8 inches deep, just disappearing down into my lava tube. So that's good. That's handy. I'm glad we have that, because man, this is just a lot of water just flowing, just non-stop. So that would, if not for that drainage puka, that'd just all be flowing into our land. So we would probably get flooded out. Why do I have my hood up under the umbrella? I don't know. The umbrella, like, and my hair's already wet, so what is it I'm even trying to prevent? Well, with the umbrella, I'm just trying to keep, my selfie stick and my camera dry. But, okay, here we go. Going through the, little... Okay. So, that's how deep... that's how deep the water is. Oh, but anyway. Yeah, so umbrella, trying to keep the, my phone and selfie stick dry. Because even though my phone is supposed to be, I don't know if it's waterproof or water resistant or whatever, I never believe the hype. I don't know. I don't know if it's true. Could just be marketing talk and gimmicks and such. So, umbrella to keep that protected. Okay, so there you have. Oh, there's the rain's picking up just a little bit again. Yeah, so far, not bad. Not a big deal. Just like a heavy rain. Yeah, no wind at all. Yeah, heavy rain, that's it. There's that, let's see, where's it? Where is she? Oh yeah, down there, like right on the other side of my umbrella stick, there's that one stupid duck still bathing herself in the mud puddle by herself. Everybody else went back. They're like, even for a duck, it's a bit wet out here. So I'm gonna call it a day. go back to the coop, to the area, see what's, you know, shaking back there. But nope, not that idiot. She's just standing there, looking around, wondering why she's wet. Yep, wait. Yep, there she is. That's Mary Jane Watson. MJ, go home. You're not gonna get drier. Not in this anyway. Oh yeah, see, normally we don't have standing water here or there, so that's fun. Squish, squish, squish. It's pretty squishy ground right here. All the chickens are under the house. They're smart. Oh, this is fun. Okay, so here's the outside of Peter's addition that he's building. And that giant puddle down there, that's about 2 feet deep. And you can see the water pouring down. He's tried to tarp it up. I think he's done a pretty good job. But yeah, just pouring down, pouring down. Oh. Let's see what else I can show you. Pretty much it's wet out. It's wet. There's a lot of puddles. Normally that water isn't there. That, by the way, laying down, that's a big dead ohia that we had cut down like a week ago, but it's not been cut up and taken away yet because, you know, got other stuff going on. And oh, geez, look at the aquaponics is taking a beating. Good luck, fish. Oh, speaking of fish, this puddle is also about a foot deep. Here's Duck Central. That is normally not underwater. Normally not underwater. Oh, I forgot. The ducks are super afraid of my umbrella, so that's why they're running from me right now. There goes one. Making a run for it. Because, oh, big, scary, dangerous, clear umbrella that has never done anything to them a day in their life. Well, that's about it. Newsflash. Rainforest in a hurricane is wet. Really wet. Water's deep. Deep and loud. Ugh. Pants were a bad choice. I should get some water. Brian's laughing at me. Oh, look at this. Yeah, that's not normally full of water. I should get some waterproof pants or something. Yeah, somebody or wear shorts. Waterproof pants. AKA shorts. Then I won't be wet from my knees down. Okay. Yeah. Getting rainy up in here. Well, Merc, that's about it. Okay, so that's the update. Catch y'all later.